Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I am doing just some basic decorating of the outdoor entry area, and I thought I would share it with you. I'm also doing a couple of Kmart hacks. So these are Kmart Christmas decor hacks. If you don't have a Kmart in your area, don't worry, you can purchase these products pretty much from any department store or craft store. If you do enjoy this video, please do me a favor and hit the thumbs up button or leave a comment below. This really does help my small YouTube channel grow, and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Okay, so this is the area that I'm working with today. I don't know why, but all the leaves and dirt always ends up in these corners. So you can tell I haven't actually cleaned it for a little while. I've been a bit slack. I did just pull these down from up here where the hooks are. So I'm just going to do something with that today. My daughter did some lovely decorating. When I got back from work one day, this is what I came to. And Mum's like, oh, it's just chalk, it washes off. But I've seen a lot of chalk around on houses because of this pandemic. That's been there for months. It doesn't just come off that easy. So I'm going to try and give it all a bit of a clean. And then we will start to decorate this area. Okay, so now I've just cleaned it up. I was planning on showing this amazing like before and after with it all pressure washed, but you know what? Just got squirted in the eye instead, because obviously the new hose isn't good enough for the pressure washer. It's just too much pressure and it keeps bursting the hose. So anyway, this is it. This is as clean as I can get it. Obviously I have some stains and stuff like that I just can't get off. So I will need to do an entry makeover at some stage by the looks of it. So now I'm just going to jump into the DIY before I start decorating the rest of this. Okay, so I did have to really move this away because I needed the room and the camera was completely in the way and it was very awkward to do alone. But basically I have just taped it together and then I've just squished it as much as I could to get that circle shape, because it did come out like a bit ovalish. So I am just going to now just wrap this with my ribbon.
The snow is falling and the cold wind is blowing hard.
So you wouldn't believe my luck. I should have already expected this by now, but anyway, it doesn't quite fit. So I am just going to cover that. I'm not even going to bother going out and spending more money on ribbon for that tiny little bit. I'll just try and cover that up and just make it work the best that I can. This part here is a little bit loose. So I'm actually going to put all my flowers and stuff around the loose area so it doesn't show up as much, and then try and cover this up with some decoration. So I thought I'd just quickly jump on here and share with you a couple of things that did and didn't work for me. So the first thing was just to make sure that you are wrapping all your ribbon nice and tight and close together. So you want to actually overlap it. Don't try and wrap it on an angle to save on ribbon and be a tight ass like I did, otherwise it is going to end up loose. The other thing is to make sure you're turning all the leaves over that are facing the wrong way and glue them down, because that's going to look much better.
Merry Christmas from a distance. I wish you were here tonight. Oh, what I give.
Then make sure that you turn your whole wreath up after you've finished sticking on all your pieces, and then just add in some additional baubles and some additional leaves to the top of your wreath so it just doesn't look dodgy and the top of it looks nice when you're looking at it when it's hanging up. Now I'm just going to finish it off with some ribbon at the top. And yes, the ribbon does not match. It was the only ribbon that I could find. And this is what it looks like on this door, which I absolutely love it on this door. I think it looks great. It is white, so obviously it's going to look a lot better than on my screen door, but it's not going to close with the security screen door, so I'm going to have to move it, unfortunately. But yeah, that's just a little bit of what it looks like, a bit of an after, and I think it looks great. I'm pretty happy with it. So $2 pool noodle, $3 for the ribbon, $3.50. You need 3 rolls. If you want to be specific, you can get 4. Then you've actually got something to tie it up with at the top there. And then these were the $3.25. Oh no, sorry, these are mine that I already had, but you can get similar ones for $3.25 with the silver around them. And then I've got the pink ones there for $3.25. Then these were just the Target balls. And these ones here from the Reject Shop, but they sell really similar ones that are actually a little bit cheaper, believe it or not, at Kmart. So yeah, this is pretty much it, and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Okay, so for this next DIY, we're going to make some mini Christmas ornaments for my little tree out the front. So I have just got these ones here. These are called Mystical Shape Set. So these ones are like, I think they're actually in the kids craft department, but they could be in the scrapbooking department at Kmart. So these sorts of things you can buy from any sort of scrapbooking craft shop. And then I've got these ones as well. I'm not sure where these come from. They're really old. They're just sitting in my craft box. So I'm just going to put some glitter on these and some Mod Podge. So what I was actually going to do, so this is an idea for anyone who wants to do this, so I was actually just going to drill some holes in some of these so I could actually use them. So I won't be able to use this one. So instead of drilling holes, because I can't work out how to use my rotary tool properly, it's been a very long time, I am just using whatever's going to go in these hooks. So I can use this one in this pack, and then I'll probably use these butterflies in this pack, and then maybe the mushrooms and the leaves in this pack, or even the keys. So that's pretty much what the plan is, and I'll just decorate some of these and then I can put them on the little tree outside. I'm just going to show you all the end result and the end product, and then after that I'll just show you what it looks like at night with all the Christmas lights on. And this is the end result. So these actually light up at night. They're really cool. These were $25 from Kmart. And then I have these icicle ones, which are from Bunnings, I think. I can't remember the price on those. I'll see if I can link them in the description box for you. And then I've just got these ones here that I bought last year from BW, I think it was, at the end of the year. And then this is what the tree ended up looking like. It's not amazing, like I'm not super proud of it, to be honest, but it's little things that like my daughter loves, like the butterflies and the princess castle. So yeah, it's just one of those things that she can go and look at and really appreciate and spot them, basically. And then I've just put the Christmas wreath up here. I've just tried to center it. I know it doesn't really go with the garland at the top. I opened it and I shouldn't have. I really shouldn't have bought it. I thought it was really pretty, but it doesn't go with anything that I've bought this year. So anyway, I really like it. I think it's come up really well, this Christmas wreath. And it was really affordable to make it as well. And then I just bought a new welcome mat because the other one was a bit gross. And this one here was $10 from Kmart. So that is pretty much it. I'll show you from far back and then I'll show you a night shot. So this is what it looks like from far back. Yes, it does need a paint job here for sure. and I have this spider running right through here. I don't know, you probably can't see it on the camera. It's a massive spider, and I got rid of this web. It was so thick, and then it's gone back, and then I saw it last night. I was like, eek, I'm not doing the gardening. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what it looks like. And as I said, I'll show you a night shot soon. Thank you all for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'd love to have you as part of my YouTube family. And if you do give any of these DIYs a go, then feel free to hashtag me on Instagram or post on my Facebook page. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week with another video. Bye.